Welcome to MiConvert. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert JPG files to PNG format, completely free and online. First, open Google and search for JPG to PNG MiConvert.com. You'll see MiConvert.com as the top result. Click on it. Great! You're now on the JPG to PNG converter page. You can see the upload area in the center of the page. Click the Choose File button. A file picker will open. Navigate to your files, select the JPG file you want to convert, and click Open. Your file is now loaded and ready to convert. You can see the name, size, and the target format. Click the Convert Now button to start. The conversion is in progress. You can see the progress bar. This usually takes just a few seconds. All done. Your file has been converted successfully. Click the Download button to save the PNG version to your computer. That's it. Visit MiConvert.com for more free file conversion tools. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.